Welcome to the intriguing world of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Imagine being able to control a computer or even a robotic arm just by thinking. This technology has come a long way since John Donoghue first tested it nearly 2 decades ago. Today, scientists and startups are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's meet some of the trailblazers out there. First up is the remarkable work done by Lee Hochberg and his team. They're developing devices that allow individuals with paralysis to communicate and control devices using only their thoughts. Just think about that. Someone who couldn't move their limbs is now able to send emails or operate a smartphone just by thinking about it. It's like magic, but it's all grounded in real science. Here's a touching story. Casey Harrell, a 45-year-old ALS patient, recently used a brain-computer interface to speak in his own voice again. After losing his speech due to this debilitating condition, he was able to communicate personal messages through a sophisticated interface that converted his brain activity into words. What an emotional moment that must have been for him and his family. The technology behind BCIs relies on translating electrical signals from our brains into digital commands. Picture it: tiny electrodes implanted in the brain that read and interpret these signals, enabling control over computers and devices without any physical movement. It's fascinating and shows us just how powerful our minds can be. But what does this mean for everyday life? Imagine patients being able to control their wheelchairs, use their phones, or even operate smart home technology by just thinking about it. This is not far off. Researchers are already exploring these applications. And the best part? We're only scratching the surface of what's achievable. At conferences around the world, experts continue to share their findings and collaborate. It's a vibrant community where ideas are exchanged and breakthroughs happen. The energy in these environments can ignite the next big leap forward in neurotechnology. Who knows? The next breakthrough could happen at the next big conference. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect: regulation. For BCIs to be available to patients, they must go through rigorous testing and FDA approval. While many innovative products are being developed, only a few have made it past the clinical trial stage. This means there's still a lot of work ahead, but the potential is enormous. The US has become a leader in this field, with many trials happening right here. Collaboration is key in this field. Companies like Synchron are partnering with universities and healthcare providers to drive research forward. With a collective effort, we can accelerate the pace at which these technologies get from the lab to patients. The future of BCI technology depends on teamwork and innovation. Did you know that global private investment in BCIs was worth an estimated $7.3 billion in 2020? That's a staggering increase from just $330 million 10 years prior. This investment reflects the growing interest and the vast potential of BCI technology. With money flowing in, we can expect rapid advancements in the coming years. What's most important here? It's the impact on patients' lives. BCIs hold promise for people with severe mobility challenges and neurodegenerative diseases. Imagine regaining independence and autonomy after years of relying on others. It's nothing short of transformative. We're on the verge of bringing assistance and restored capabilities to millions. But along with innovation, we must consider the ethical implications. As BCIs become more prevalent, discussions around patient privacy, consent, and the potential for misuse emerge. It's a delicate balance to maintain. While we strive for progress, we must also ensure that these technologies are used ethically and responsibly. As we look to the future, the potential for brain-computer interfaces is boundless. We could see advancements that aid in cognitive enhancement, or even prosthetics controlled by thoughts alone. With advancements in artificial intelligence and neuroscience, the possibilities seem endless. Imagine a future where thought-controlled technology is part of our everyday lives. As technology continues to evolve, we are reminded of the profound impact it can have. It's about using these incredible developments to improve lives and empower individuals. Each breakthrough represents hope and potential for those facing mobility and communication challenges. Together, let's support the innovators in this field. At All About AI Tech, we believe in building a supportive community. Your insights, questions, and engagement mean the world to us. We're on a journey to navigate the complexities of technology together, learning and growing as a community. Please subscribe, share your thoughts, and let's elevate our discussions around BCI technology. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage each of you to stay curious and engaged in this fascinating field. Your curiosity drives innovation, and together, we can advocate for responsible, ethical advancements in technology that aim to help humanity. Your thoughts and suggestions can spark the next conversation. Thank you so much for joining me today. Click on the next video to dive deeper into brain-computer interface innovations. Support our community by letting us know what content you want to see next. Together, let's continue to explore the incredible world of AI technology. See you in the next video.